Good morning, welcome to Alasco CTS. In this presentation, we are going to see how to trade in MCX crude oil market using a moving average line. So this rule is very simple. When the price is going above this moving average line, we are going to buy. And the price is going below this moving average line, we are going to sell. And also consider this moving average as a decision zone. So this moving average, we are going to consider this moving average is a decision zone where the trend is going to reverse. So this is our assumption. And also one more rule you should follow is that this is not a very thin line, it is a zone. So what you should do is that you should consider at least 10 point above or at least 10 point below the zone, and then you should execute your trades. So let us run this for a month and see how profitable we would have been if we are using this moving average right from December 15. Here you can see the date and here the timing. So just let me run that. And the other thing I want to mention is that only when the price is trading near this zone, you are going to execute a trade. Not when the price is staying here. So you cannot take a buy here saying that it is above the moving average line, so I am going to buy. So that is also another case. So let us see how profitable this trade would be. So the next day, I will be running this a little bit fast. You should follow me. So this is the moving average line. The market opened the next day on 16. The market opened at this point. Since the price is trading above the moving average line, what we call the price is opened above the moving average line, we are not going to execute a trade. Just because, for example, if you are going to execute a trade here, whatever it might be, your stop loss is going to be here. So see, what is the level of stop loss you are going? The stop loss is very big. So we are not going to execute a trade. If you have sufficient fund in your trading account, you can execute a trade here. There is no issues in executing, and you can start averaging till this point. That depends. That decision should be made based upon the funds you have in your trading account. So let me see. Now let us assume you have executed some buy position here. So the target and the price target also, I say it depends upon your wish and will, the amount of returns you are expecting. Just I am going to run this so that it is common for all the clients. You yourself should classify yourself in what type of trader you are. So this so see, if you have executed an order here, so even though the price dropped, then the market bounced back. The next day the market opened at somewhere lower. Since the price is going to trade near the zone, whenever the price is going to come near the zone, we are executing an order in favor of the price. Now we have a buy here, we would have bought here and we would have reversed here. So the price of the trend has reversed. Again, if the market is going above this, we are going to execute another thing. So we made some few would have closed the position with a 10 or 15 points profit. The other next entry is also with a 10 or 20 points profit is here. So the day is closed. The next day market, this is Saturday Sunday. The next day market opened lower. So our point is to execute a sell order here, and the sell order market is consolidating. So you can ask me whether since the price is going a little bit higher or a little bit lower, I should take a maximum. A number of trades will be large. That is why I told you this is not a single line. This is a zone. You just consider this a 10 points below and 10 point above this line, and then you can execute a trade. So for detailed explanation, you can contact us anytime. We will explain you clearly how to trade using this line. So just now we are explaining just by following this line alone. So now see the profit. You have made some profit around 20 points profit is here. Now the next the price broke this level. Again here you made some 20 point profit. So the day is closed. The next day market opened higher. Since it is trading near this line, so you can execute a trade, or based upon your front position you can, or you just wait for the price to test near the moving average, then you can enter. So for a client with very minimum amount of funds who is trading, it is better that he execute a trade only when the price is near this line, so that his stop loss will be lower and there is a maximum probability he increases his profit. So see, next time the market opened higher, so it came near that point, then you can execute a trade. So again you made some profit, and again it came near the point, you executed a trade. Again you would have made some profit. Next day the market opened above the zone. Then just by assuming that if the fund position higher, you can execute a trade. So see, the price has gone higher. And also sometimes I want to say, when the price has cleared the zone, you need to wait for 1 or 2 weeks, so that not 1 or 2 weeks, might be 2 or 3 days it will not come to this zone. So that is what we call it is in a trend. when the price is going to change its trend, surely it will come to this average. So see the price, the next day also market opened higher and it's moving far higher. So probably who is having a lot sufficient funds. That is the reason why we are asking our clients to have a lot of funds in his trading account, so that he can use various number of techniques while he is trading. So see the price movement. So it's very much higher, it went higher. So hopefully only clients with much huge funds would have made profit. Other than there is no issues. If you have small fund, you can wait for some beautiful orders to execute. So the price touches the average, and you see it just broke down. Here you would have made some loss. Then you should, the quality, the basic thing is this shoots a person who is ready to reverse his position at any time. So if you take any position, you should be always ready to reverse your position, hoping that you can make this amount of profit. See what is the amount of profit you are going to make. So when you get a trend, you can make a huge amount of profit. This is what we mean, run your profit and make your loss very small. So the next time also you made some profit. So now the price is the next day. Here you see the day, this line, particularly this type of line, you see this line, this indicates the end of the market and next day opening. So here the market opened lower. So this is because now the market is trading within a narrow zone. You should this is a zone. I told you before that this is not a line, this is a zone. So once the see on 28th the market is very flat. Market was very flat. So this is probably, this low volume is just because this is a year end, so there will not be much trader in this, there will not be much volume once the price come below this, but surely you can expect some 10 or 20 points movement using this method. So see, once the price clear this zone, you are going to make some big profit. So this will shoot, this method will shoot for clients who is ready to float his position, or who is ready to do intraday trading based on trends. So this is the amount of profit. So the other clients who is having minimum amount of margin, he should wait for 1 or 2 days. No problem with that. Without knowing the trend and without having any technique, it is better to wait rather than going for a loss. So here the next day market opened higher. So this is the reason why we say follow your moving average. Is that see till 31st the market was in downtrend. Once the price clear the zone, it reverses the trend. You should wait for the trend. See market went again above the moving average, it's going higher. Once it breaks this level, again you can make this amount of profit. Again see the market opened here and it has dropped down. So this market don't follow anything. So just by simply following this average you can make good profit. So this broke this level and it went for some good profit. Again you wait for simply you can wait. Then when the market touches this level, it went for 20 points and again it's breaking and it came down for 20 some 50 points. It's a very good profit, making some double profit based upon the swings. And also see the trend, the prices, when the price is trading near the moving average, if you enter here, then you would have made some good profit on that day. So see on 10th also, this type of market, only on few days you will have this type of fluctuations. The price is going above and below. So in order to avoid this type of things, in order to avoid some over trading, what you should do is that you consider this line as a zone. Then you you cannot do some over trading. See you can place, you can draw even what the best technique is that you can draw a line here. See 10 points above and 10 points below. Now consider this, whenever the price is breaking the zone, it's going higher. Whenever the price is breaking below, it is coming, you are getting some profit. So this is the way to do some trading using the moving average. Just by drawing two lines and following a moving average line, you can make sufficient amount of profit in this crude oil market trading in MCX. So you can see the next day market open higher. Just you would have made some few losses, might be some 5 or 10 point losses. Now see the profit, how much you are going to gain. So always if you are following this type of method, we can guarantee that your profit will be higher than your loss. But one thing you should do is that you should continuously trade in following this method. Only you are going to put some effort when the price is touching this average, then you will be free just watching the profit alone. The next day also on 13th also the price tested near the moving average and it also went higher. See on 14th the price broke below the moving average and it came down some sufficient points and again it went higher. And also you made some profit. This is a two-way profit for you. Again see on 17th I think it was a holiday. On 18th the price tested the moving average, it went higher, then it broke the moving average, it went lower. And also the other day also on 19th also it tested the moving average, it went higher, then it broke the moving average, it went higher. So 20 points, 10 point, 20 point profit. Who is a trader who is doing some active trading, that is we call as intraday trading, he can very well use this type of technique rather than depending upon someone to give some tips and then following that. You can trade on your own. That is one method. We are one thing we are following, that is invest in yourself. So see, today also this presentation I am presenting this on 20th of January. So now also the price is, you can see the price is moving, so it's a trading. So when it touches this average, you can go for a sell. Until it touches the average, the price will be selling. So today afternoon, today night 9:30 you have inventory report. If the price is breaking this level, it will go higher. So this is one and very simple technique. Just by following a moving average, you can make profit while doing day trading using crude oil. So hope you would have enjoyed this presentation, and this is only one thing, yet you have a lot of techniques, and you have a lot of analysis you should do. You should follow the support and resistance along with this moving average, and you should see the high, low, open, closes. There are a lot to follow with this, but in this presentation is limited only with the moving average. So thank you, hope you would have enjoyed. Bye.